If you love to grill, but you live in a building that doesn't allow open flames, you've pretty much been out of luck. Until now. Introducing the Firestone Kondo Cook Number Grill. At last, a grill specifically designed for balcony cooking. The first dual-burner electric grill made to give you the power of a full-size grill, but powered by ordinary household current. Because it's electric, there's no charcoal, no propane, no open flames. Which means you can cook anywhere there's an outlet. RVs, boats, patios. What's more, the Firestone Kondo Cook Number Grill is the only electric grill that features the incredible Firestone Cook Number system. 10 precise settings that let you cook food just the way you want it every time, automatically. At last, grilling without the guesswork. The Firestone Kondo Cook Number Grill outperforms grills 3 times the size and 5 times the price, but it costs only 10 cents an hour to run. Because it's electric, all you smell grilling is the food. It cooks totally clean, and because it's a cook number, burned food and the resulting carcinogens are virtually eliminated. Never has an electric grill offered so much power and performance with so much speed and style. Here's how it works. Just plug it into any ordinary outlet. Hit the switch and the searing plate reaches 500 degrees in about 5 to 7 minutes. Toss a steak on the searing plate. Just 90 seconds each side, and you've sealed in the flavor the same way they do in fine restaurants. As soon as the juices are sealed in, simply turn the dial to grilling and move your steaks to the grill. Now you're ready to activate the Cook Number system. Just insert the probe and select the way you like your meat cooked. 10 precise settings let you choose your personal cook number. Like your steak medium rare, you're a 3. Well done? You're a 7. It's that simple. Now, shut the hood and go relax with your guests. The Cook Number system does the rest. Double wall construction helps hold the heat in. The result? Perfectly even heating. No hot spots, no cold spots. Once you shut the hood, your job is done. When you hear the signal and see the flashing light, your food is done, just the way you like it every time. Grill 6 burgers at a time, or 7 brats, or half a dozen chicken breasts. Grill fish, sear vegetables, bake pizza, roast a tenderloin. Convection technology eliminates the work. Cook Number technology eliminates the guesswork. There's even a special channel to funnel away grease that can cause flare-ups, and the disposable tray makes cleanups this easy. The Firestone Cook Number system is also available in full-size 24 and 36-inch gas grills, and they're all built to last. Made of restaurant-quality 18-gauge 304 stainless steel construction, guaranteed to keep their great looks year after year. All Firestone Cook Number grills offer a guarantee no other grill at any price dares. Cook on it for 30 days. If you're not happy, return it for a full refund. More importantly, all Firestone Cook Number grills are designed to do what no other grill at any price can: make you a better cook.
He used to be the one to cook all the time, but now with our new Cook Number electric grill, I do all the cooking, and I think he's jealous.
All my neighbors think I'm this barbecuing expert, but until I got my Cook Number grill, I hadn't grilled at all. It's really just like putting your dinner on autopilot. It couldn't be any easier.
This is a restaurant quality grill, just on a smaller basis. I've cooked 4,500 steaks in a single day on this grill, and it was absolutely perfect.
The incredible Firestone Kondo Cook Number Grill. The electric grill that brings full-size performance to a new level. Your balcony. From the company that's bringing outdoor living into the 21st century. Firestone.